The Dean of Students' Welfare Office at Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, held a one-day program on drug abuse prevention featuring former Education Minister Dr. Tokchom Radhesham Singh as the chief guest. Dr. Singh stressed the importance of education and emotional intelligence, stating intelligence alone is not enough. One must also have feelings to combat life's challenges. He encouraged students to engage in well-being activities like reading and building partnerships. Additionally, he shared research findings on drug addiction and the need for preparedness in facing life's challenges. NEHU Vice Chancellor Professor P.S. Shukla and East Khasi Hills ADC R. Walang also attended the event.
People are becoming drug addicts. Why people run after drugs? It is because of these things. So, mind you, I'm telling you, after reading books, after meeting people, only I educate myself, but at the fag end of life. I'm crying every night, every morning. Had I got this knowledge, I would have helped so many people. I would have facilitated so many young people. Right, very late so I'm sharing. Life is a race, is a journey. Everyone has to go, undertake this journey. Starting point, same. End point, same. Route, same.